time on one.
I can't tell you how much I wish I didn't want to stay.
Now they ought to say congratulations.
Hello, friends. It's Nyra, but it's not regular Nyra. It's prom beat Nyra. Okay, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. I graduated already, so I'm not going to prom, but I'm so excited for prom season because this is when the real makeup artists really show out on the gram. Okay, we really act up on Instagram around prom season because you get to see everybody's prom beat. Look how good the lashes look. Look at the cut crease. Oh my God, I'm serving you emerald realness. I love this look. So if you guys want to see me do this prom beat, then you came to the right place. Thanks for clicking on this video. It's prom season. I know I look pretty young, okay, but contrary to my deceiving looks, I have graduated, so I won't be attending prom, but I'm still excited for prom season for you all. Taking the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream and filling in my brows with this to start off the look. Looking good at prom is important because it's like sometimes you just roll out of bed and go to school. And by sometimes, I mean like 90% of the time, okay? I feel y'all. I just graduated. I graduated in May of 2018, so I graduated last year. So I get it, y'all, okay? I know sometimes you just wake up and go to school, and that's how people get used to seeing you. But prom is when you can, like, you know, show everybody you're really that chick, okay? Or that guy. If you're a dude wearing makeup to prom, you know, you just gotta show everybody what you're really working with at prom. And even if you're not really working with it, you gotta fake it till you make it, okay? I've been there too. It's like a chance to temporarily reinvent yourself, because you can be the most plain Jane person, but like if you look good at prom, then, you know, boom, that's it. That's what everybody's gonna care about. People aren't gonna care that you wore sweatpants and Crocs for 4 weeks straight, you know? People don't care that you wore the same shirt 4 out of the 5 days to school. You look good at prom. That's all that matters, you know? All right, I'm doing something really like ghetto. It's just who I am. Ghetto's not even the right word for it. People call everything ghetto. But as you guys can see, I just like took my fingers and just rubbed off the brow product that I didn't want there because the brows were too close together for me. Sorry, it's just what I do. It's like I'm gonna conceal around them and then put foundation and all that anyway, so like it'll be fine. It doesn't have to be super perfect. We're gonna clean them and all that, you know? I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. I'm going to prime my eyelids and also clean up the brows. Try to even them out a little bit more. I'm a lopsided kind of girl. My brows are always uneven and I'm okay with that. And so because I'm okay with that, I expect you all to be okay with that. And if you're not, then you're not. I don't care. I'm blending this out with just my finger because I'm a true professional. And when you're a true professional, like, you really don't even need tools, you know? They're just extra. Gonna set the prime with my LA Girl Pro Powder. When I find it, as soon as I find it, I'm gonna do that. I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette, so I'm making sure I set this prime real good with a lot of powder because y'all know there was some controversy behind using not a traditional primer but concealer as primer and all that. So I make sure that I put a lot of powder on top of the concealer when I'm using the James Charles Morphe palette. I also have my Morphe 35B, which is one of my favorite Morphe palettes too. So yeah, I'm gonna be probably taking these two. I might even end up using just one of them. We'll see. But let's go ahead and get to it. I know some people think it's like so annoying when you use 2 palettes, but being annoying is kind of on brand for me. I'm gonna start in the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm gonna take Daddy, that dark green here, and start to build that up in my crease. It's happening. I'm excited. I think it's gonna look so good when we're done. Here comes the annoying part. We're switching palettes. I'm going over to my 35B and I'm taking this deep green very carefully, and we're gonna blend it. Woo! my wrist. It hurts. I hate blending. Back to the basics. Back to my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use this thing for everything. I'm taking it and I'm going to cut the crease. Have y'all ever seen people that can cut the crease like directly from this? Like they can take it, like with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, they can take it and like cut their crease like that. Like, chill out. Nobody asked you to flex on us like that. I don't know what kind of witchcraft makeup y'all are doing, but I'm not with it. James Charles Morphe palette. I'm taking the shade Guac. Boom, we filled our cut crease. Now what I'm going to do is go back in with the dark green from the 35B and build that up just a little bit more and blend the edges, just make everything more cohesive. Hey, hold up, wait. Let me show you guys the lashes I got. I'm obsessed with the I Envy lashes by Kiss. And so they have like different ones like chic and like 3D and like glam. So I have the I Envy, this is the 3D collection. This one is 113. And then I have 123 from the chic collection. And then I have Iconic 03. And I think this is a pair that I had before and lost and freaked out because I couldn't find these lashes anywhere because I had moved to North Carolina, but I got them. And the ones I'm gonna be using today is probably this big old extra pair because I love huge lashes and this look is justified for some super big lashes. So I'm gonna put these on. I'll be right back. Okay, I've put on foundation off camera. I use the same foundation every day. If you don't know, Milani Conceal and Perfect. So now we're going to move on to concealer. Now on a regular day, I'll just take my LA Girl Pro Conceal, but for a special occasion like prom, we not talking homecoming, we talking prom. You're probably gonna be out pretty late, so maybe double up on concealers or use something like a little more thick so you can really be beat. Personally, when I need something a little bit more thick in the concealer department, I take my NYX Conceal Correct Camouflage palette. These are like a bunch of like mad thick concealers, and I go into this more yellow one because I'm a brown girl, so like yellow concealing undertones look really good on me. Contour, I would usually take the e.l.f. contour palette, but like, come on, this is prom we're talking about. Step your cookies up. Taking the Anastasia Beverly Hill contour kit, and I'm taking this shade here. I'm gonna contour my nose and contour my cheeks, but I never contour my cheeks like too much because I'm not very good at contouring my cheeks. It's my one makeup downfall. I feel like I'm really good at everything else. I'm good at eyeshadow, face makeup, like all the crazy complicated stuff, but I'm just not good at contouring my cheeks. You better snatch your nose. I know there are people that don't like to contour their nose, but it's like, you're crazy. A nose contour would change your life. Let's move on to blush because I'm going crazy. You guys have no idea. I have been filming this video for like 2 hours. Like my eyes took so long, but for you guys, it's probably gonna be a couple of minutes. Like that's wild. Blush, we have to take the e.l.f. blush. It's my favorite, sorry. Taking this e.l.f. blush and this blush palette, putting that on my cheeks. If you're not new here, you know I go crazy for blush. I don't play about blush. Blush will change your life. Blush will change your relationships and your marriage, your credit score, your attitude, your relationship with God. Blush will change it all. Blush is the key. Blush is the key to success. What am I even talking about? Like, what is this video? Personally, I am not a highlight kind of girl, but this is a prom look. I literally have to put highlight on. So I'm taking my Busted Glow Kit.
What is that?
And I do mean busted. I'm gonna take Golden Dawn gold highlight, like a true gold highlight with green eyeshadow. Always looks bomb, always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a ball sitting here filming for way longer than I should have. I really like the way this look turned out. If you guys recreate this look or something like this look, like maybe you do this but with like blues or pinks, you know, then send me pics of it on the gram and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, boo. I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden I got